This is Laura Barsha with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Ashley Properties. Welcome to Canoe Creek. I'm here in Parrish, Florida today, and I am here to show you this model home. This is the Cove Series. This is the bright metal. This is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a den. And they actually have a quick move-in home available for $734,990 with some great incentives. So here I'm going to show you the model home, and just let me know what you think of the floor plan. Bright metal floor plan. Who's looking for a pool? Here we are. Beautiful water view. Nice landscaping. I have a home site available for you. Water view. Approximately will be done at the end of this year, and we're going to give you a little tour of that home site. So if you are interested, you need to reach out to Laura Barsha today. Let's go to contract. Better Homes and Gardens, Real Estate Ashley Properties. Reach out to me at 941-735-4882. My email is homes@laurabarsha.com. Thank you. This is the home that is for sale. This is the Cove Series, the bright metal. This new home will be 3 beds, 2.5 bath, and a den. It's available right now to purchase. You can go to contract today and it'll be ready by the end of the year on this large lake view for $734,990. If you are interested, please contact Laura Barsha with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Ashley Properties. So if you're looking for a lake view, this is in Canoe Creek in Parrish, Florida. Just wanted to give you a little tour of the back, and so you have an idea what the floor plan looks like of the model home. So this is the quick move-in home that is currently available today.